Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to update your BIOS. Firstly, insert a USB flash drive. Right-click on the USB file explorer and click Format. In the pop-up window, set File System to FAT32 and click Start to Format. Now go to the MSI official website if you're updating an MSI BIOS. Use the search icon to look up your motherboard model. Go to Download section of your product page and locate the latest BIOS version, then click the download icon. Now right-click on the downloaded zip file, then click Extract All. Click Extract again in the pop-up and copy the entire extracted folder to the root directory of the USB drive. Now, restart your PC and as it boots, repeatedly press Delete to enter BIOS. Inside BIOS, use your mouse or keyboard to go to M-Flash. Click Yes when prompt to reboot into flash mode. In M-Flash mode, select your USB drive. Navigate to the BIOS file you copied earlier, then select the BIOS file usually ends in .1xx or similar, then click Yes to confirm. Now, once the update is complete, your PC will automatically reboot. Enter BIOS again by pressing Delete simultaneously and check the new BIOS version to confirm the update has successfully been done. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.